The entire universe is rotating and changing. The fallen rotates in all directions. When turning inward, it generates energy. When turning outward, it gives energy. This is the symbol of Falun Gong, also known as Falun Dafa, the cultivation practice introduced by Master Li Hongzhi in 1992. Practitioners of Falun Gong cultivate the essential nature of the universe: truthfulness, compassion, forbearance. Many people of goodwill, especially in Western cultures, might question why the swastika is front and center in the Falun symbol, and wonder why it is used in the spiritual practice centered on nonviolence, peace, and harmony. The swastika enjoys a long history within varied religious traditions that transcends its misuse in mid-20th century Germany. Originally from India, the word swastika comes from the Sanskrit words su, which means good or well, and asti, which means being or state. Within the Buddhist tradition, swastika means a state of well-being, or letting good things occur. Many Buddhist texts begin and end with the symbol to signify the value of what was written. In ancient spiritual traditions of the Middle East, the swastika has been depicted within a triangle symbolizing the goddess Astarte. In Chinese Buddhism, the symbol itself represents the number 10,000, and in a more symbolic sense, the number stands for timelessness or eternal existence. For this reason, depictions of the Buddha in those cultures often show him with a swastika on his chest. Some legends of the Buddha suggest that he was actually born with the symbol on his chest. American Indians traditionally have used it as the symbol for the thunderbird, also known as the phoenix. Swastikas have been found in burial mounds in Tennessee and Ohio. The Potawatomi, Hopi, Zuni, Kickapoo, and Plains tribes, among others, depict the symbol on clothing and artifacts. Navajo blankets were woven with swastikas. The discovery of images in America, said to be of the Lord Buddha, signifies the close connection between the swastika and religious personages in the New World. Pre-Christian Britons used it to honor the goddess Brigid, who later became Saint Brigid to Christians, and today closely resembles Saint Brigid's cross. Within the catacombs of Rome, swastikas marked a number of early Christian tombs. It was an early custom to mark the tombs with this symbol, or to place vases with swastika symbols in tombs to ensure the safety of the departed soul, or to fend off demonic spirits. As late as the 8th and 9th century, it has been found embroidered on Christian vestments and was inscribed on the ring of Pope Leo I. Even more amazing, swastika mosaics have been found in ancient Jewish synagogues in North Africa and Palestine. The swastika has been associated with the sun wheel, the spinning hammer of Thor, and the footprints of Buddha. It was used by Vikings, the Old Norse, Greeks, Romans, Celts, Anglo-Saxons, Mayans, Aztecs, Persians, Christians, and Neolithic tribes. Ancient Romans honored it as the symbol of Jupiter. The earliest known picture of a swastika was scratched on a cave wall. Many other historic uses document the swastika as a totem, a decoration, or a good luck charm in ancient civilizations, including the Mesopotamians, Hindus, North and South Native Americans, and Scandinavians. The first examples are found in Sumeria and earlier cultures that existed in what is now Pakistan around 3000 BC. Around 1000 BC, the swastika was commonly used in China, India, Japan, and Southern Europe. It is estimated that Indo-Aryans traveled into Europe around 2000 BC and brought with them the swastika symbol, sun disk, as part of their religious art at that time, as shown by excavations of Kurgan graves on the steppes of Russia and Indo-Aryan graves in Xinjiang, China. Swastikas have been discovered at several locations in the New World. It was considered an auspicious sign by some of the original inhabitants of America. Swastikas are found in monumental remains of the primitive Mexicans and Peruvians. The discovery of the swastika in the New World might indicate that it was carried to the New World by Asian traders in prehistoric times. The swastika symbol has been used for thousands of years among practically every group of humans on the planet. The symbol in various cultures are strikingly similar.